reverse he got game 13s. Oh, for 30% off. That's pretty sick. Yeah, 200 for the red carpets. Going for 30% off. So yeah, but these are hella comfortable, you guys. Hella comfortable. Oh shit, the Pippins, you guys. The Pippin. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're here in the East LA Nike outlet. Let's go see if they got some deals, you guys. I just came up at the Citadel outlet, so yeah, I'm hoping they got the same steals here or similar steals at 30% off. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, okay, 30% off. That's what's up. 30% off. Let's see what's up. It is currently noon. Dang, and look, all the bunch of spots. Dang, they've been busy this morning. That's what happens when you're late, you guys. That happens when you're late. Hey, nobody wants these foam posits, even at 30% off. Damn, nobody wants these foam posits, even at 30% off. These have been here for a couple weeks. That's crazy. Got some reverse he got game 13s. Oh, for 30% off. That's pretty sick. Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of these, but if you are a huge fan, man, that's a hell of a price to get them for. Yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. That's a 10.5 right there. Crazy. I think these were going for 105 at the Citadel. Going for $150 here. 30% off helps though. 720s going for $90. Get 30% off. That's the cheapest we've seen these for. That's dope. So they got deals on stuff like that, and then they're gonna charge you 110 for these. What the? Man, I don't understand this stuff. I was like, is that a Jordan 29 box? But yeah, it's some garbage. Didn't we see these for like $59 at the Citadel? The Citadel's only 3 miles away, and they're trying to charge you $150. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Even at 30% off, it's a total rip-off. Going down on size, you guys. Got the Air Max 1 DNAs. And the Air Max 1's always a classic silhouette, dude. Interesting colorway. The green's alright. It definitely pops. Definitely pops. Got that nylon in the front. Got the buck. And leather's nice. Leather's quality is definitely there. $130 though. $130. Get 30% off. That's a hell of a steal, man. Yeah. Got the Airmore up-tempos. The up-tempo, the 200. No. Up-tempo 720s, my bad. Yeah, going for 200. Too pricey. Goes down to 140 after the sale, but still. Getting to the smaller sizes, size 8s. There's really not much in the sale section, clearance sale section, because like I said, I've never seen it this empty. So I just asked one of the workers, I was like, what the heck? Yeah, 200 for the red carpets. Going for 30% off. So yeah, $140. That's the cheapest we've seen those. Damn, I always get so excited when I see the gold boxes, and then when it's something like this, I'm like, man, really? Yeah, golf cleats. Golf cleats normally go for $180, get 30% off if you into golf. Jordan 1 Motos. These are the pretty much the double straps. Oh, look, it's kind of cool. Never seen that before. But yeah, these bad boys go for $90. $90, get 20% off. I'm not a fan, but I'm sure some of you guys are. Yeah, because the leather. Oh, look at this. I've never seen this. It's like. That's hella interesting. Look at this. Got suede on one side and got buck on the other. What the hell? Yeah, not bad. $90. $90. Get 20% off. Or 30% off. My bad. Yeah. More Jordan 7 red carpets. This is a size 8. One the size 7.5's. Got the John Elliott's, LeBron 10 John Elliott's, going for $250, 20%, 30% off. Dang, it's kind of high though. I've never seen these. I was like, what the heck are these? Varsity trainers. Pretty cool, pretty simple, but not bad. Yeah, for $70, get 30% off. I just feel like you can find better stuff for that price, especially when you get stuff on sale. Size 7 Air Max 90s. Man, Air Max 90s, you can't go wrong with Air Max 90s. Cannot go wrong with them, man. Super classic look. Got that nylon in the front as usual, as most do, and the buck leather. This one has suede too. That's what's up. That's what's up. Going for $100. Get 20% off. 30% off. My bad. It's like crazy. Like so many sneakers that are sold out. These don't necessarily have resale value. So yeah, but these are hella comfortable, you guys. Hella comfortable. In my opinion, this is the most comfortable basketball sneaker out there. These are brand new, haven't been worn. Look, like the bottom. Well, they could have been worn indoors. I don't want to be naive. See, I know what's going on, but don't look like they've been worn. Super comfortable, you guys. 30% off retail. Damn you guys, damn you. Look at this. I've been looking for these for this price. Oh shit, the Pippins, you guys, the Pippin, the up-tempo 95s. Damn, 79 and 30% off, man. Let me do some math on this shit. Oh man, I'm gonna get in trouble buying too much crap again, dude. Let me look. Let me see how.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Damn, I really did not want to buy any more shoes, but these are just hella dope, man. Super classic. Damn, man, I need to do the math. Let me do the math. 80 plus 30% off. Damn, that's $24. That's what, 50 something, damn. So $54, you guys, $54. Let me know. Let me know in the comment section right now. Should I cop? Should I not? I'm gonna put them right here on the side, and I'm gonna think about it. All right, even after the resellers, man, they still got deals here, you guys. Look at this. We got size 11, the Nike Cortez. This is a Dog Days pack. We've seen these a bunch of times. These are the original Nike symbols, like the prototype stuff. And yeah, these going for $60, and you get 30% off. So $42. $120 sneakers for $42. I'm not a fan of the Nike sign, so, but still, man, deals are crazy. And sometimes the deals aren't there at all. That's a ripoff, you guys. Jordan 7 reflective pack. Yeah, those have been on sale like everywhere for a long time. Got the LeBron Witness. LeBron wore these in a game just recently. His budget line. I think he has like an even more budget line now. It's like the second tier maybe now. These are 100, right? 100? Is that 30% off? Well, this is in the size 10.5, but yeah, these are the Dub Zeros. Dub Zeros. One of the old school, apparently. I didn't know. I hadn't really seen these before, but yeah. Going for retail though, man. I don't know about all that. Retail, you get that 30% off, which is fantastic, but yeah, no, I still need to get cheaper. I think we've seen these a while back. That's a size 11.5. Man, these are some canvas. Actually, I don't know. Are these the same one that I got? A different color though. Man, this is a canvas version of a. It's a canvas version of an Air Force One, dude. And the canvas feels good. Canvas feels good. Kind of like suede, like it's so good. But yeah, obviously you don't want to get these wet, or you don't want to get them dirty. But yeah, $110. $110, you get that 30% off. Hella clean, man. Hella clean. Oh, mine are like this. I didn't even show the bottom part. Look at this. Usually this part's all rubber, and it's like some sewing material. It's like fabric. It's just regular fabric. That is dope. That is dope, you guys. Wow. Quality is definitely there, and it says NYC, so it's one of the New York collections. That's dope. That's dope. $110. Get 30% off, man. That is dope. Do got a whole lot of the Jordan Mars 270s going for $110. Various sizes. Get that 30% off. We're in the size 11.5. It's got the Havocs. Got the Jordan React Havocs. Oh, what was this? Does it say 100? 110? Yeah, this totally reminds me of like a Nike React. What is it called? Not the Odyssey, but the Epic React. Totally reminds me of that. But yeah, oh yeah, $100. Get 30% off. Not too bad. I'm the size 12. I'm like, why does everything look so yellow? No, it's just the sign. But yeah, I got the Nike Flight Legacy. These are definitely interesting. Kind of an old school vibe. Oh, look at that. Kind of looks like a Jordan 4 or Jordan. Was that Jordan 3? Yeah, Jordan 4. It looks like a Jordan 4 without the stuff on the side. That's hilarious. The bottom is totally a Jordan 4. Oh, that's hilarious. Is that Nike Air on the bottom? Okay. It's one of the Flight series. You know, they got the Flight 89s, got the Flight 91s. Going for retail. It's whatever retail is. 20% off. Take a look at the size 12s. Not much in the size 12s. 90. Oh, this is size 10. Yeah, we saw that deal earlier. 90 bucks, get 30% off. Not much in the size 12s, you guys. Sorry, dude. Just those Mars 270s. They got. Oh, see, this is a 13. This ain't even size 12. 75 bucks for that Epic React Flyknit. Even for you size 13, there's just not much, you guys. There's the Jordan Mars right there. We got the Legacy 3 Toes go for over 100 bucks. At least you get that 30% off at least. Jordan aisle, they rarely ever have anything. Got the Max Auras. Got these, the Big Fun, going for hella cheap. I don't know if that would interest you guys, but yeah, those are hella cheap. Top 3 colorway of the 270s, going for 80 bucks. These are the 270 PSGs. Oh, they actually had a PSG collab. I didn't know that. Dang, that's dope. I love the PSGs. 270 bread colorway, going for 80 bucks. Spiz Ice going for 90. 270, the Air Max Premiums, cheapest we've ever seen one of the Air Max Premiums. That's dope. Tailwinds, people love the Tailwinds. Cheapest we've ever seen this colorway. We saw that other colorway for hella cheap. But yeah, that's a hell of a good price. I think this is the cheapest we've ever seen a 720 too. I'm pretty sure that's the cheapest we've seen a 720 in the aisles. That's crazy. More 720s. That's the cheapest of the Element React. There's always Element Reacts here though, so I'm not gonna go through all of them. Dang, this is the one thing that's cheaper than the Citadel. If I remember, the Citadel had it for like 110. So yeah, that's a pretty solid deal. These still haven't gone down. Still $140. And what are these? ACWs. I have no clue what this is. I'm trying to see what it stands for, but it's like a weird looking Air Force One. It's like suede in the back and then just buck leather. Not tumbled though. It's regular buck leather in the front. Kind of looks interesting. Going for retail, $190. Wow, that's a hefty price on the Air Force One. Damn. These bad boys are always here. The KD12s. Witness 3s always here. More Witness 3s. Dang, another one of the Witness 3s? Goddamn. Zoom Fly 3s. We've seen this for a hell of a lot cheaper, especially in the clearance aisles. But yeah, these are hella comfortable. But these are not, you guys. Don't get fooled because they kind of look similar. These are called the Nike Zoom Rival Flies. And yeah, this has air zoom inside, but the outside kind of, I think this is like a lunar line, so kind of mediocre, dude. 55 bucks. 55 bucks. Yeah, just make sure, probably not that bad, but just make sure you know what you're getting. Way different from that. All right, my kid's been asking for some Jordan 33s. I don't see any here, but since I'm already looking around, I'll show you guys. I got the Trueberry 4s. Yeah, I'll show it to you guys. Pretty, not bad. They're not too bad. They're not too bad. They got little dots on them. So not too shabby. Not too shabby. But yeah, going for 100 bucks, get that 30% off. Damn, some of the prices still be high even with the 30% off. That's crazy. Got the chlorophylls. Going for 100 bucks, 30% off, 70 bucks. I guess that's not too shabby. 4.5 Epic Reacts going for 65. A little bit high, but normally they're over 100 bucks. These go for 60. A little better. Got 70 bucks for these. Seem a little high. None of the kids stuff. The Cortez Basics going for 45 bucks. That's a solid deal, especially with that 30% off, man. That's what's up. That's what's up. But yeah, if you get these in East LA, then you're automatically a cholo, right? But yeah, those are dope though. I'd rock those. And the kids' house now, 55 for the Huaraches, Mo Huaraches. Air Force Highs, these are kind of cool. All suede, dude. Dope, man. It's good quality suede too, 50 bucks, not bad. 40 for the Air Force lows, Air Force One lows. Dang, 35 for these Air Max 95. That's a hell of a steal, man. Got plenty of sizes too. Dang, 55. Dang, they got some steals. That's crazy, dude. Crazy steals in the kids section. The Air Max Plus going for 55 and you get 30% off. Damn, so that's like 30 something bucks. That's what's up. That's what's up. No, it might be, no, probably 40 bucks. 40 bucks, that's crazy. And these Phantom Reacts, man, hella cheap too. $30, was it? Like, yeah, like 32 bucks or something, that's crazy. Kyrie fly traps, fadeaways. I had to look at the name because I don't know what the hell that is. And the 270s right here. It's kind of pricey. So I've been walking around with these, walking around with them, wonder if I should get them. And, you know, I think I'm gonna have to pass just because I've already bought, what, 9 pair of shoes this year? I think 9. I think I'm already up to 9, dude. I think that's just too many. So, hell of a deal, you guys. But I'm gonna have to put them back. I don't want to regret that purchase. All right, we're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Gonna wrap it up. All right, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video, you guys. Definitely appreciate you guys watching till the end and just watching in general. I definitely appreciate it. Yeah, it's crazy because I got here at noon. Damn, it's 1 o'clock. Yeah, I already got here at noon, and they still had some solid deals. Like you guys saw, a bunch of empty spaces. It looks like a bunch of the resellers were here, or just maybe just a bunch of fans, or maybe a bunch of sneakerheads just came and just copped a bunch of stuff. But yeah, like they still had some dope deals, you guys. Still had some dope deals. I'm wondering if I'm gonna regret not getting them up tempos, but like I said, I'm like close to 10 sneakers already, and it's already the first month. I was like, fuck, I can't keep up that pace, man. I can't afford it, dude. I can't afford it. Not like I've put any of my sneakers on credit cards or anything, because you have to be financially responsible. You guys have to be financially responsible. But yeah, man, I just couldn't do it, you guys. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys go ahead, press that like button, help your boy out. And yeah, if you're new, go ahead, make sure you guys subscribe and click on that notification, because I do come out with a lot of stuff, you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Hope you have a fantastic day, or evening, or morning, or whatever. Cool. Smash out. Okay. Got plenty of time.